Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, my name is Atta and today's topic is about DevOps. DevOps is a combination of cultural philosophies, technical practices and tools that foster integration, collaboration, communication, and automation between technology, operation and software development teams in order to improve the quality and speed of cloud. The common goal of DevOps is to remove friction, risk and other constraints to enable faster, more successful application product rollouts as often as rapidly as the business requires. Most companies that implement DevOps today still have a development team and operations in a place. You can think DevOps as a process and individual that builds bridges between the system, improves business to enhance the customer's experience, various tool platforms that facilitate works of DevOps that it not defined. DevOps was birthed by the practice and propagation of agile software development. Since the agile methodology speed up the development processes throughout the velocity, there was need after alteration. Project of teams accommodation with reality as agile culture took root. It became clear having software development and IT operation teams working separately was counterproductive production investment. DevOps practices automate deployment pipelines, produce faster feedback to improve efficiency, predictability, maintainability, and security. It brings developers into the production environment, gives them deeper instruction to the infrastructure, and get more involved application lifecycle. Like all cultures, DevOps adopt and application different ways from organization to organization. Nevertheless, certain capabilities are common in nearly all DevOps implementation. Why are DevOps key characteristics? Collaboration. Instead of operation and development, assuming and achieving cognitive stance, engaging with others, the DevOps strive to collaborate. The conflicts rivalry between these systems are one of the principal catalysts to creation of DevOps. DevOps is a gearless forward facilitating the speed of delivery of a agile development project. Therefore, it is heavily dependent on automation. That means reliance multiple tool that automates the application development and deployment cycle. Continuous integration. Uh, it is a technique for continually merging software code from all developers in the project to share many line. This ensures that the copy of the project each development is working on its nearly same. By compelling developer to integrate their work into mainline at release stage, DevOps culture reduces the likelihood destruction merger conflicts later on. In DevOps, software testing aren't something left to one person or department. Rather, it's everyone's responsibility. Developers, engineer, quality to the code, and then available test data, quality assurance, and operations. Teams in turn configure test cases and test environment. Sync tests must be executed quickly to the avoiding falling behind new charging being applied in development. These processes must be automated such possible. Software failure is expensive, unleashing an application release that ruins existing over user experience or introduces new risks would be counterproductive. Continuous testing ensures the right balance of software quality, speeding and deployment is achieved. Since tests must be executed quickly in avoiding falling behind during new changing being applied in development, these processes must be automated such as many as possible. Continuous delivery means changes to application code are automatically prepared for release into the live environment. This helps with application synchronization to all code changes are deployed into test environment before eventually applied to the production. The DevOps team must have a deployments ready to release that successfully between taking throughout the standardized and automated best processes. Release frequency will or vary dependent on goals. Priority and urgency. It may be used as often multiple releases